Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at the Champions Group located at Erving Elementary in Trenton, Michigan. And it was just a beautiful time. I got to speak to the students that are part of that for this summer. And the main message was all about diversity, the need for human kindness, that we see each other's differences. We see that as a great thing, right? That we really appreciate differences in everybody around us, whether it's on the outside, how they're different, or on the inside, that we respect everyone, right? And that we always show this unconditional love, that even if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider, thinner, different skin color, if they dress differently, if they're in a wheelchair or not, disabled or not, or wear glasses or don't, anything that might be different, that we can still appreciate and accept them, but also accept ourselves. It's important to know and think that we are all beautiful too. And that is what we talked about with the M on all of our palms and on my shirt here, M for miracle, right? With the lines in each of our hands, we have the letter M. And that M stands for miracle, upside down. W, it stands for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we talked about that through a couple different raps that I did, a kindness rap, a diversity rap. We shared some motivational videos. We talked about some really powerful stories of students their age that are making a difference all across this country and choosing love, choosing kindness. It touched my heart. A lot of students, they gave me a couple of drawings for the road, and it was a shape of a heart, and just said, hey, Mr. Peace, we understand. We know that we need to show more kindness, because it's not just that kind action to someone or that kind word, it's anyone else who hears it that might be nearby. It could affect their heart in a positive way too, just witnessing that kindness. So thanks for touching my heart. You guys keep inspiring everyone that you meet, keep choosing that respect. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Hit the motivational playlist link to check out some amazing clips, and feel free to look at my website, mrpeace.org, at the other URL link, as you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.